Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to build a form within Monday.com. To begin, head over to your project and click the Add View icon. From the options provided, simply select Form. Once the form is generated, you can assign it a title, such as Form 1. Next, include sub-items by entering a name, like Question 1. You can also incorporate a status field, choosing options like Working on it or Done, and then pick a specific date. If necessary, add another entry along with its corresponding status and due date. When finished, hit the Submit button. Your form is now complete, and you will see a confirmation message. The process is quite straightforward. You can modify your setup by clicking Edit Form or distribute it using the Share Form button. To review your data, click on Results to see a full summary of the responses. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more. See you in the next tutorial.